Democracy chatpa leivak amagi oinadi judiciary haibasi yamna maru oiba yumbi ahumgi manungda ama oiribani miyamda mafam matam chan achumba while fanghanaba judiciary ga mari lenaba singna hotnabiyo haina Chief Minister Laothokkhre BIREN Phongdokhre Manipur Lingkhatlagani Law and Legislative Affairs Department na sinduna District and Session Judge Thobal Court ki mathol ahum wangba annex building sangabagi tharamda Athuba Matamda Ordinance piraduna Chief Minister BIREN haikibani Thobal Court Complex ta pangthogiba thoram aduda High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Siddharth Mirdul Law and Legislative Affairs Minister T.H. Kumar Singh High Court of Manipur ki Just Singh Justice A. Bimol Singh Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma Justice Golmai Gaifun Silu Kawi Amasung Advocate General Manipur Lenin Singh Hizamsu Saruyaki Chief Minister na makata na hai Lamdamasida Logi sector da awat pakhara lady Chief Justice na Law University ama established towa yagadra haibigi wafam thamlambasi Asugumba University asi yamna maroi Maram asina Assembly Session ngairabadi kuiragani aduna Athuba Ordinance ama Thoktuna Law University ama Lingkhatlagani haiki Manipur dagi mayai kaba chinjak muthatpada law bungak liba singna achoba thodang lobiyu Golden Triangle Oriba Myanmargi border da leiba oibana Manipur da mayai kaba chinjak maru fangna muthatlabadi mainland India gi naha kayasu nisagi ipaktagi kanba ngamgani haiki lamdamasida yamna luba tanfam amada leirambani adubu miyangi matengdagi fivam khara fagalakle irang leirabasu lamdam asigi saukhat thaurangi lamdadi sangsin-daba yadabana leptana adum changsili loinana tawdaba yadaba thabak thoram singsu tawri haukiba chai taruk asida lengak asina lamdam asida ahomba kaya purakle state asida amukta tawkhidriba Miss India contest national level international level football tournament su leivak asigi minister sing laklaga mifam Thoktuna half ama semgalakli haraduna PM Narendra Modi nadi Guwahati dagi lamdam asida na hena semgatningbagi apamba lei haiki
we're passing through a crucial time. Adubu almost overcome with the support of the masses. Prajasingi Mating Bagi support Regi Kuzayamba Film Krafagare Maraksida we cannot stop our daily routine works also. We development the Wagera, Mother Wagera, we Madusu Lepayadaba Aduna Judiciary see democracy that everyone knows it is the one of the pillar among the three pillars. Haduk Nabayadraba, Kaina Bayadraba, Aduga justice. Put Nia Purmaka Matamusana from Salas justice Fanganavigi, Amata Gainaba. Labagam Pavadi, since the system I take her lap, the Vigi gave her Lairami. Adubu. I'm very thanks to the Honorable Mr. Justice Siddharth Mirdul, Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur. He willingly came down here in the state of Manipur and joined as a Chief Justice of Manipur. That is a privilege for us. Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji ne di Guwahati dagi hena Manipur na priority field. Akoi fragile culture, akoi fragile scenic beauty, akoi climate, akoi mi sigi mayamsu uraganda akoi da yam kana sambat chaninba sambat pa yuwaksu lo da leiba adu hujiksu lette hujiksu koi airport international airport kasi jigam Athuba yam ana sari yam mahom kana sample le habata da koi gi sidaga logi sector sida koi state sida award pulegi law university immediately with the coming of the Honorable Chief Justice asked me to establish one law university. State government has Waran Turkey state shida. Everyone is supporting. I'm not saying that support of the identity. Everyone is supporting, but kitang serious way. Among the government, we can totally eradicate drugs menace from the state of Manipur. Simai Mayandi am Saula Kazaba Lake. Adu Guloina. According to druggy, Waran druggy Posina, we are also protecting and saving the millions of youth of the mainland India.